Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Panasonic Kokolo MCDL201 vacuum cleaner. This is the blue variant, as you can see from the image over here, and this is also a bagless vacuum cleaner. This particular vacuum cleaner comes with a 700 watt motor. There's a maximum input, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. There are a lot of components in it. This comes with clear container, extension wands, flow nozzle, two-way nozzle, durable hose, it's lightweight, it's only 1.8 kilos, and also has a blower. Do we have any more information this side? More or less the same. And okay, what else do we have? That's it. That's all the information we have on this box. I will open this and show you what's inside. The first thing we see are these extension wands. There are two of them. You got the two extension wands right over here. You can attach them back to back to make them longer. This gives you a meter of length. So this is the first thing that we see. Next we have a couple of attachments over here. This is a two-way. This is not okay. What is it? I'll tell you what this is. This is a two-way brush. There you go. This is a brush that can be used to clean, really tricky areas, like say for instance a keyboard or something like that. This is a flexible hose that comes with it. There you go. This is the main hose. This is the first thing that you will attach to the vacuum cleaner. We have some documents over here. Let's quickly take a look at them. There you go. These are the operating instructions for the MCDL201. A lot of information here. It's a pretty big booklet, as you can see. It has everything: parts identification, troubleshooting, storing, caring, specifications, and also reminder for customers. Now I think we can take a look at the vacuum cleaner in question. This is the Panasonic Kokolo. This is it. This is all we have in the box. Before moving on, I would also like to point out this particular nozzle. This is a flow nozzle. This is the one that you'll be using to clean the floor, or even a carpet for that matter. And now let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner in question. So this is the Panasonic MCDL201. It's made out of white ABS material, and this part, as you can see, the blue area is also transparent. You can see the motor unit over here, which is also a bagless motor unit. And this has a very sleek design to it, and also comes with this ergonomic handle. Not just that, on this side there are some stops. There's some anti-slip rubber stops, small ones, but you can use these to keep it stored like so. There is also a flat PVC wire power cable at the end. This is a pretty long flat PVC power cable. This is, I'm assuming, nearly 3 meter long power cable, and it has a 2-pin jack on one end. Not just that, there is a cable tie for easy cable management. Let's quickly take a look here. This is the button that you use to remove this lid. So yeah, there you go. And this is the interior. This is basically all the dust will flow in through here and get caught on this filter right over here, this filtration level right over here. But these are also the other filters that this comes with. You can remove them. Let me see if you can remove them. Okay. Yes, you can remove this particular part at least, and you'll notice that this is basically a filtration device through which all the dust will go in and then get caught over here. Also notice this is the power on off button right over here. Do we have anything else? No, this is it. I am going to plug it in and see if this works. So there you go. That's one. And yeah, it works. I will attach this nozzle over here. So this is the most important attachment, basically the first thing that you attach to it, and everything else, be it this nozzle or the extending wands, they get attached at the end of this particular flexible hose. So let me quickly see if the suction thing is working, truly working. I will have a subject here. I don't know, do we have a proper subject? Let's try the user manual and let's go. So yeah, it works absolutely fine. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Panasonic Kokolo MCDL201 vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.